Second part of the fourth worksheet. He gave you 2 points and he asked about the slope. If the point H equal -4 and 2, and if the point J equal 2 and -2, how can we get the slope? Please write above here, this is x1 and this is y1. This is the first point. Second point, right above 2 x2, and here this is y2, because this is the second point. The rule of the slope, or the formula of the slope, m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So -2 minus 2 over 2 minus -4. Same sign, put the sign and add them together. So it will be 4, and here 2 plus 4 equal 6. Simplify, so it will be -2 over 3. Number 2. If he give you the point C is 2 and 5, and point D is 6 and 5, how can we get the slope? By the formula, change in y over change in x. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But please concentrate. Look at the coordinates of the y here for the first point and the coordinates for the y for the second point. They are same, both of them 5. So here this line will be horizontal, and we know the slope for the horizontal line is 0. So if same y coordinates, it's a horizontal line. Do you remember what is the equation? Yes, y equal number. So the equation for the line passes through point C and point D, it will be y equal 5. And the slope for the horizontal line equal 0. If you didn't remember this, use the formula. 5 minus 5 equal 0 over 6 minus 2 equal 4. 0 divided by any number equal 0. The third one here, m equal -2 and 0, and L equal 1 and 6. Same, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, so you will get 2. R equal 3 and 1, S equal 6 and -3. -3 minus 1 over 6 minus 3, it will be -4 over 3. Next, by the slope, how can we get? I give you the slope for the two lines, the two slopes for the two lines, okay? And asked you, what is the relation between these two lines? Is they parallel or perpendicular or neither? Look at the slope. If the slope for both of them same, so the two lines will be parallel. If m1, the slope for the first one, times the slope for the second one equal -1, so the two lines will be perpendicular. Or neither. The first one, m1 equal 5 and m2 equal -1/5. If we multiply 5 times -1/5, we will get -1. So they are perpendicular. Or look at, this is 5. If we get the opposite and the reciprocal, they will be perpendicular. This is positive, this is negative. And what is the reciprocal of 5? It will be 1/5. Number 2, m1 is -3 over 4 and m2 equal -3 over 4. So they are equal. So the two lines will be parallel. m1 equal -5 over 3 and m2 equal 3 over 5. Opposite. This is negative and this is positive. And what is the reciprocal of, for 5 over 3? It will be 3 over 5. So they are perpendicular. Number 4, m1 equal 1/2, m2 equal -1/2. They are not equal, so the two lines are not parallel. This is negative, this is positive, but this is half. What is the reciprocal of half? It's 2. So m1 times m2 not equal negative 1. So it's neither.